The St. Regis Mexico City is a luxury hotel nestled in the heart of Mexico City's bustling Paseo de la Reforma, a renowned avenue that bridges the historic and modern sides of the city. Known for its exceptional service, elegant design, and world-class amenities, the hotel stands as an iconic destination for business travelers, tourists, and locals seeking a refined urban experience. The St. Regis brand, synonymous with sophistication and personalized attention, is fully embodied in this Mexico City location, making it a premier choice for those who value exclusivity and comfort. Designed by renowned architect Cesar Pelli, the St. Regis Mexico City seamlessly blends contemporary aesthetics with traditional Mexican elements. The hotel's grand exterior mirrors the cosmopolitan energy of the city, while its interior reflects a blend of luxury and cultural authenticity. Upon entering, guests are greeted by a polished marble lobby accented with subtle Mexican art and decor that pays homage to the country's rich cultural heritage. The hotel's atmosphere is calm and serene, creating an oasis in the midst of the city's dynamic pulse. The St. Regis Mexico City offers a range of exceptional dining experiences that cater to diverse palates. The hotel's signature restaurant, Diana, serves a variety of gourmet Mexican dishes, highlighting local ingredients and flavors with a modern twist. For a more casual yet elegant setting, the atrium is ideal for afternoon tea or evening cocktails, offering guests a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Beyond dining, the St. Regis Mexico City provides a full suite of luxury amenities. The Remed Spa offers personalized wellness treatments designed to rejuvenate and restore balance. The spa's tranquil ambiance makes it the perfect retreat after a day of exploring or conducting business in the city. Additionally, the hotel boasts an indoor pool with panoramic views, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and dedicated spaces for business meetings and social events. One of the defining features of the St. Regis brand is its unparalleled butler service, available to all guests 24/7. Trained to anticipate every need, the butlers offer personalized services such as unpacking and packing luggage, delivering morning coffee or tea, and assisting with any special requests. This level of attention elevates the guest experience, ensuring that every stay feels uniquely catered to the individual. Room 807 at the St. Regis Mexico City is a signature butler service City View Deluxe guest room, offering not only a luxurious space to unwind, but also a stunning view of the vibrant cityscape. The room is elegantly designed with a blend of modern comfort and traditional Mexican touches. From the large windows, guests can enjoy sweeping views of Paseo de la Reforma, with its iconic monuments and urban skyline. The deluxe guest room features a spacious king bed adorned with plush linens, a marble bathroom, and state-of-the-art in-room technology that includes smart lighting, entertainment systems, and high-speed Wi-Fi. Guests in room 807 also enjoy exclusive access to the hotel's butler service, ensuring that every request, from a pressed suit to a curated sightseeing itinerary, is met with precision and care. The St. Regis Mexico City offers an exceptional experience that seamlessly blends luxury, service, and local culture. Whether you're staying for business or leisure, this hotel promises to deliver a memorable stay